The Community Design Center of Minnesota is a community-based nonprofit organization. We've been around for over 40 years. Our mission is to build vibrant and healthy communities through food conservation and youth development, which we do through very innovative, transformative programs in the lives of the youth and community members we work with. We have three main program areas: garden program, cooking program, and conservation. Through our youth internships, we are providing first-time work experiences to over 40 teenagers each summer, which then turns into a year-round opportunity for these youth to make money. It's just hard to describe the transformation that you see over the course of time here.
We have 7 organic gardens located around the east side of St. Paul. In the gardens, we work with the youth, and the youth help plant, maintain, and do everything that needs to be done in the gardens. We have a lot of produce that we harvest, and we distribute it throughout the community in a variety of ways. We have 5 different distributions, so the youth get to take some of the produce home. We deliver to food shelves. We have our CSA pickup. We also have the farmers market stand. And then Nutrition Corps also cooks with the food. The impact that I hope for the CDC to have on the community is to increase food access, of course, to the east side of St. Paul, and also to help educate the youth and create youth leaders.
My daughter Brooke was an intern last summer with the Community Design Center, and she worked the Garden Corps. The exciting thing is that Brooke was looking forward to learning about gardening and learning about nutrition. She is at a pretty interesting age where she is beginning to understand the choices that she makes about food and the health of her body. So mixing the two of actually learning how to grow and how to take care of and how to harvest and then use those foods became a real life experience for her. We didn't know what a leek was, much less what creamed leeks taste like. And so when she had the chance to, share some of the skills and some of the knowledges she was learning at the CDC with us at home, we all really enjoyed supper that night. And so that became an opportunity for the rest of the family to grow in our knowledge and appreciate how to eat better.
I work with 18 of our high school interns. We work on learning about nutrition education, different culinary skills, and then we go and teach these skills and education that we've been learning to community members. I also prepare recipes for our CSA members at our CSA pickup on Thursday afternoon. So some of our Garden Corps youth are handing out the produce that they've grown this week, and each CSA member gets some of the produce in their bag. And then as Nutrition Corps interns, they are giving samples of recipes that we created and prepared featuring the produce that they're receiving in their weekly bag.
What's great about working at the CDC for me is seeing the community come together and seeing them eating organically and healthy.
This program affected me mostly because it changed me, who I am personally, and what I think about. I eat healthier now. I'm not so big into junk food that much. And my family's coming off of it too.
Our role as Conservation Corps is to conserve the land, so we do a lot of efforts to remove invasive species. In my perspective, I think the biggest benefit to the community that these conservation interns are providing is just our future generations. These kids are working hard, and I wish I had a job like this in the summer when I was their age. When they go to college, they're going to be a lot more prepared than lots of people. Now, the name of the game is always experience, and especially if they want to get into an environmental field.
The CDC has sort of instilled in me a passion for outdoor education, and that's kind of the alley I'm headed towards. My time at the CDC has really taught me the importance of urban agriculture, importance of preservation of our land. As cliche as it is, we really do only have one Earth, and it's important to conserve our land and our water. I visit Bruce Fento's nature sanctuary regularly. There's a sand castle there, or there's a sand cliff there that I like to watch a sunset on sometimes. I was a teacher assistant at Dayton's Bluff Elementary School for an after-school program called Nature in the Neighborhood, and that's really That's what really helped me a lot with my work over at the Valley Branch Educational Learning Center. Working with kids and just being comfortable taking a lead role in a classroom environment.
The great thing about being a Conservation Corp intern at the CDC is we get to work outdoors, have fun, we help the environment. Also, we build rain gardens, and rain gardens help with the water quality.
I think this organization does a really great job of making future leaders.